So this will be a dissection of the 4 muscles of mastication, which is the muscles of chewing. So let's take a look over here. In front of the ear, there's a big gland right here. This is called the parotid gland. And then in front of that, right here, this muscle going up and down, is the masseter, one of the strongest muscles in our body. So this here is the masseter. Right, so that's the one that's there. Then, on the side of our head, and notice on this dissection, we've taken all the superficial muscles off that we saw on the other side. On the side of the head, there's this big muscle deep. This is called the temporalis. Right? This goes down actually to the coronoid process of the mandible. Here's the mandible. So when it contracts, it's going to pull the mandible up. So that's the temporalis. That's the second muscle. The remaining 2 muscles are the pterygoids. Like we said last week, those are inside the mouth. To see them, we have to remove part of the jawbone. So what we'll do is we'll take this off like this. So here's this here is actually the masseter. Just to show you real quick, this muscle right here is just part of the masseter that they've taken off. So we can see the masseter on this side a little bit, but we see the whole thing on the other side. But if I take this off, the 2 muscles of chewing on the inside are the medial and the lateral pterygoid. So this big one coming down right here, this is the medial pterygoid, and then this one here going to the TMJ right there, this is the lateral pterygoid. Again, it goes to the TMJ joint, if you remember from last week. So that's the lateral pterygoid, and then this one is the medial pterygoid. All right, so those are your 4 muscles of chewing: masseter, temporalis, and then your 2 pterygoids, the medial and the lateral. Okay, so we'll cut on that.